So hey guys, today I'm making a video on how to make a premiere video. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first of all, you need to go to YouTube Studios. I'm on it right now, but I'll just show you guys. So go on a website. Yeah, I'm just using Safari right now. And search YouTube Studio. So yeah, after you've done that, click enter and then click this first link here at the top, and it says YouTube Studio. So just wait for that to load, and then you see on the left, just click videos. Well, it's the second like button, so yeah, that one, it says videos. And then I'm just gonna use this example on my newest video I'm about to make into a premiere, so I'm pretty sure click this button here, setting button with the 3 dots, and then wait a minute, no, I think you click details, that button I just clicked. Oh yeah, then you go onto here says visibility, mine's unlisted right now, so click that. Then that's what I'm going to do. Wait, first of all, click schedule, so make it whatever time you want it to be uploaded, what day. So right now it's 30th of June, but I want it tomorrow, so 31st, and start, where's that, there. Now what time, yeah, make sure to put in your right time zone as well. I forgot what time, I was doing at 6, but I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep at. So yeah, then after you've put the time of or when you want it to be premiered, make sure to click time zone here, click the question mark, wait, just click time zone actually, and then just do what your time is. I'll just click local time, so then that works. Yeah, and then click set as premiere here, and then that's it. So yeah guys, and then just click done, obviously the bottom right there, and then you'll have to click save where it says save there. So yeah, and just click save just to be sure that it saves. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and comment down below any more tutorials you want me to do, and subscribe for more with post notifications on, so you never miss a video. So yeah, bye.